How to kill hornets with household products. Although hornets won't bother you if you leave them alone, they have the ability to sting repeatedly when disturbed. These stings are more painful than a bee sting, and can be life-threatening if you are allergic. If you notice any hornets on your property, you can use a few common household products to get rid of them. Things you'll need: 2-liter soda bottle, 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 cup apple cider vinegar, 2 drops dish detergent, raw meat, 1 quart water, 2 tablespoons dish soap, spray bottle all-purpose cleaner. Kill hornets with a homemade trap. Cut the top off a 2-liter soda bottle. Pour 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and 2 drops of dish detergent in the soda bottle. Mix until combined and then drop in a piece of raw liver, turkey or fish because meat attracts hornets. Invert the top of the soda bottle and duct tape it in place. Set the homemade trap out where you see the hornets. The hornets will fly in, become trapped and drown. Create your own insecticidal soap by combing 1 quart of water and 2 tablespoons of liquid dish soap in a spray bottle. Spray every hornet you see with the household insecticide. The hornet won't die instantly, but it will eventually become dehydrated and die. Repeat daily until you no longer have any hornets on your property. Grab any household all-purpose cleaner and squirt the hornets with it. Soak the hornet with the spray so that drops to the ground quickly. You can either wait for it to die, or stomp on it with your shoe. Tips. Warnings. Kill the hornets first thing in the morning. This is when they are the least active. If you are allergic to hornet stings, instruct a friend or family member to kill the hornets. Don't put your life at risk. Hire a professional if necessary.